Tired of tinny audio ruining your gaming immersion? Let's dive into the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 and see if it's the budget-friendly audio upgrade you've been waiting for. First, comfort. These ear cups are generously padded and feel pretty good, even during long gaming sessions. The breathable fabric helps prevent sweaty ears, a definite plus. We will test how hot it gets after an hour. The controls are conveniently located on the left ear cup. You've got your power button, volume dial, mic mute, and EQ presets. Easy to reach and adjust on the fly without fumbling. The flip to mute mic is a classic Turtle Beach feature. Just flip it up to mute, flip it down to talk. Simple and effective for quickly silencing yourself. Sound quality is decent for the price. The Stealth 600 delivers clear highs and punchy bass, enhancing the overall gaming experience. Footsteps, explosions, and dialogue are all easily discernible. Compared to other headsets in this price range, the Stealth 600 holds its own. It may not have all the bells and whistles of premium models, but it offers a solid balance of performance and affordability. But better than some more expensive headsets. So, is the Turtle Beach Stealth 600 worth it? If you're on a budget and looking for a comfortable, wireless gaming headset with decent sound, it's definitely a contender. For the price, it's a steal. Don't forget to subscribe for more gaming gear reviews and let us know your thoughts on the Stealth 600 in the comments below. See you in the next video.